You can get the median nerve right inside the biceps tendon right there. I'm gonna move my body wherever I need to so that I'm working right here. And I'm driving from my left shoulder and tricep. So we start in a point of certainty. Here's the flexor tendon at the medial epicondyle here. The flexor tendon in Pronator Teres is like this. It's between my fingers. I like the habit of being able to push the borders up. So can I isolate the Pronator Teres as it comes right to that tissue? See the tissue popped up between my thumbs? Mm-hmm. That's Pronator Teres. So that's Pronator Teres. You can get the median nerve right inside the biceps tendon right there. And then it comes out right here. And it just goes down the anterior forearm. Here's the transverse carpal ligament, or where the carpal tunnel is. And then this comes out and it branches to these fingers. So I'll typically start checking above here, because especially for manual therapists, this spot can be bad. Can I sink onto the nerve? And then can I push pronator or pull it off of the median nerve? And hers does. And then I get in here. I'm feeling for dense fibrousness or spider webbing. And I'm pushing into that tissue. I'm seeing if I can sink on top of the median nerve and push pronator off of it. I'm also getting into this space here and seeing if I can go into this space that way. And then I'll come and check the medial side of median nerve, sinking in deep, and then bowing it that way. And then we could also bow it the other way. Just got some stuff there. Thank you. Casey, can you come help me? This way. So her elbow needs to be straight, the wrist is up. I'm gonna be sitting over the top of it. I'm gonna move my body wherever I need to so that I'm working right here this way and my body's doing the work and I'm not doing any funky with my arms. So I'm gonna sink my thumb in. Pisiform is over the thumb like this. So I'm coming down. Thumb. Right next, I'm sinking in. I'm nudging in next to the nerve in the sulcus or the groove. And then I'm leaning into the tissue. Go ahead, Case. And I'm driving from my left shoulder and tricep. Good. And you should immediately recheck it and see if it's softer.
Can you trace all the way up? Good.
And there are a bunch of nerves in here, but it's usually the most medial nerve, or it is the most medial nerve, on top of brachialis. Coracobrachialis is right there. It goes up that way. Good?
Good.
Let's trace the median nerve.